Hi there, good morning! Today I realized that it's been a while since I haven't done a green slash olive look, and you know I cannot live without those. I decided to do one today just because I miss those colors. I'm thinking of doing maybe an olive gold combination because that is always amazing. So let's get into it. I'm gonna start with my usual concealer base, and by the way, if you see hairs on my face, it's because once every 2-3 weeks I take the scissors and I cut my bangs, and it's usually a very long process for me. I cut the bangs usually in the evening, I wash my hair, and then in the morning I realized that I did mistakes and cut them again. So that's what I did this morning. Looking in the mirror, I would still love to make some more adjustments, but should I? I'm gonna do a black pencil base for my smoky liner. So I'm gonna pack the pencil on the outer corner, well, the outer half of my lid actually. Then I'm gonna take a pencil brush and diffuse it. The initial time I got bangs was like 2 or 3 months ago, and I went to the hair salon back then because luckily I wasn't confident enough to do it myself. Then when I needed adjustments, like my bangs grew a little too long, I wanted to go to the hair salon again to, you know, make those adjustments, but my hairdresser was taking time off, and she was off for like 2 more weeks since I reached out to her, and I just couldn't wait that long because the hair was getting in my eyes. So that was the first time I took the scissors in my hands, and I haven't stopped ever since. I did cut the bangs myself back then, and then I got a little too confident and kept cutting my bangs myself even though my hairdresser is back working again. I'm gonna pick up Tribe by Juvia's Place. I think I'm gonna set the pencil with this shade. Actually, I'm gonna pick up Nomad, in fact, because I feel like this leans a little bit more olive than the shade from the, what was it called, the Tribe. This is like a very dark olive shade. I always pick up these two palettes whenever I'm doing an olive look. It usually ends up being a mix of them both. I'm using the same brush and kind of going over the pencil with that dark green shade. You can use an eyeshadow shade. I feel like it eases the work a little bit. So just stick some scotch tape or an eyeshadow shield underneath here, and you're going to have an easier time creating a smoky liner. But if you have a pencil brush, again, this really simplifies the process because you can use the tip of the brush, which is a little bit pointy, and you can use just the tip of it and create this smoked out wing here by barely touching the skin with the brush, like that, and extending. Then I'm gonna pick up the olive of the palette. I feel like this is closer to olive than the previous shade. And I'm gonna use a small and fluffy brush. Small fluffy. This is a Morpheum 507, and it's perfect for what I want to do because it's fluffy at the base but it's pointy at the tip, and I will use the pointy tip to go above the eyeliner, but the shape of the brush is gonna help me not go too far up with the green. You can also use that kind of a smudging brush. Wait, let me see if I have an example here. Something like this could also work, and I feel like this shape is a little bit more common than my Morphe one. I love this color. I want olive everything. I don't know if it's a Taurus thing because I told a friend of mine once that I like green, and she was like, yeah, of course you're a Taurus. I was like, what? Is that a thing? Then I was reconnected with an old friend from high school in the wedding that I attended this late September, and she was also telling me that she has an olive obsession, like an obsession with the color olive, and she had olive nails, and I don't know, she just stated how much she loves olive, and she's a Taurus as well. So I was like, the dots are connecting. So if you're a Taurus, Do you like greens and olives? Not olives, the food. Even though I do like olives too. I mean the color. I just picked up my previous brush and I'm trying to fade the colors into one another. I think I'm gonna pick this shade just to set the rest of my lid, because with this concealer base I need to set this part, otherwise it will crease. So I'm starting from here and I'm fading it towards the outer corner. I think I'm also going to use it to diffuse this olive a little bit. I'm just going a little bit above it and diffuse this edge. I did my face off camera because I was running out of time, and now it's time for my gold because I want gold. I will pick the other palette, what was it called? The Tribe by Juvia's Place, and I will pick this gold in the palette and I will run that all over my lower lash line. So placing it here. Oh, that is lovely. Look how pretty this looks in this combination. Damn, that is pretty. I'm excited. And then I think for the inner corner I'm going to pick this shade. I just turned my brush around because I don't have many clean brushes left. And I'm gonna pop it here. Oh, this one has a green tint as well. Oh, I forgot about it. It's so beautiful. Okay, I cannot contain my excitement. I think I have a brilliant idea. What if I do a black waterline? I truly think this will look awesome. So, oh, I like it already. I like it with the black and I like it without the black as well. I will also line underneath my lashes as usual. I will finish off the eyes with mascara. As usual, I'm curling my lashes first. And then I will use my false lashes mascara from Essence. I will use my NYX pencil in the shade Nude Truffle to line my lips. And I'm gonna fill in the sides a bit. And I will finish off with this Sephora Collection lipstick. And this is the look. I am in love with how it came out. I really love the gold and olive combination. I feel like it's so Egyptian queen style, I think. This is how it looks like to me. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope you found it useful or inspiring. I hope you're having the most beautiful day ever, and I will see you next time. Bye!